I have 3 ways to get rid of household odor. You won't believe some of these gadgets I have coming right up. Awesomeness! Just like you for watching. Hello, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. I did not think I would have so much success with not 1, not 2, but possibly 3 different ways to get rid of that odor that combats the back of your vehicle. The fact that I had a diaper incident, not me personally, but my daughter, and I didn't want to throw her diaper out where I was, so I left it in the back of the car and then went out of town for 3 days to New York City, and that was still in the back of my car. And now I'm hoping someone will still the vehicle and drive it somewhere so I never need to see it again. And I'll even pay the insurance deductible because it all smells so bad. And then I tried this. I have 3 ways right now that I'm going to show you where you can take care of any odor, any type of lingering smell, and then also purify the air that you breathe. If you expand the video description box right under me, you're going to find your keys to the deals that I have found. A reminder, I do use affiliate links on this channel, which means I probably get paid for the work that I do, and I may benefit monetarily from any purchase you make, which helps me buy diapers. Thank you for that. All right. First things first. Actually, we'll do this third. We're going to talk about diffusers and why some are different than others, and I know this is nothing new to you, but I did have an eye-opening experience when I put another brand into my baby's room. Let's start first with a purification system for your car. We all think so carefully about the air that we breathe in our homes and we're changing filters, but imagine what you sit through on your morning commute if you're in a heavily trafficked city. Now imagine a way to remove 90% of the airborne things that could give you allergies, any type of dry throat issues, any type of pollen in your vehicle. The Pure Oxygen Purifier deal that I found today scores you a bonus replacement filter and a way to combat those pollutants on the road. We're talking emissions from other vehicles, that manufacturing factory discharge that you can sometimes experience over time, asphalt gases, environmental pollen, and you're basically getting a USB-powered way to remove smoke and odor, formaldehyde, and something that actually is clinically proven to help reduce bacteria and viruses to these crazy degrees with a 97% sterilization rate. All right, here we go. This is a little bit smaller than a coffee tumbler, those stainless steel mugs that you may travel with. Look at this. Ooh, I like this color. I actually purchased the silver one. Let me show that to you. This is the one I bought. But anyhow, this is it in black. And then, having already done this before, you have your charge port, and then you also have the extra filter, which comes in this box. There we go. This is a replacement filter. There you go. You can see this is what actually goes into here. So once this one gets dirty, you pull it out, you put the other one in, and you are ready to rock for what could be another 6 months. It could be another 3 months. It depends on what environment this is in, and we're going to talk about that in a moment. This fits into your cup holder. It is powered via USB if you have a available USB port in your car, or if not, you can buy one of those cigarette lighter converter DC adapters and you can use this. I was not struggling to put that back together. You can also take this to your desk. You can bring this to a hotel room. You can use this in an RV. It really does work. I use this in the studio. It's a long story, but I'm cat sitting for the summer. I don't have a cat, and she hates me and is territorial and urinated on the backdrop here. I know it's a lot of personal information, but with a closed door in here so she didn't come back, I just kept one of these running for a day or two with this fan. The fan was overkill. I quickly learned that this took care of filtering out the odor in the air. It really does work. You can check it out. I love the deal on that. That would be one of the top ways to combat odor on the go. The second thing I actually learned about from a friend who is a firefighter, and he told me that when the smells are really bad tied to wherever it is they're going, or metal that is melted on appliances when they're trying to do a scene repair, they use burnt coffee grinds, so they'll actually burn them on a stove or just position them in different areas where the coffee helps combat a lot of the odor. And I realize that's not removing odor, that's masking it, but over time, you're really just left with a coffee stench, which is kind of cool. You might have already known that. That might not have been a no-brainer. The third item, also tied to a deal link that I have right under the video screen, is a diffuser, and the diffuser that I found today is a little bit different than some of the other ones you might see on the market. What I have learned is while there are diffusers, let's say $10, $12 cheaper than the ones that I found, many of them in my tests, and I've been actually profiling diffusers for a long time by viewer request, break down. The pumps go, the plastic inside isn't that great to begin with. This is a higher end version of that, and you do have the chance to purchase this with essential oils. I use this in the nursery for my baby. It helps you breathe better, but it also can combat cooking stenches, garlic, onions, fried food, all of those things that linger for days. You get one of these going and it does a great job diffusing the air and removing odor. I like the one that I found. You could grab any diffuser, but I just think there was a higher level of quality and craftsmanship tied to this. You get a nice big basin, you have the light features. You may find one that you like better on Amazon or somewhere else. Grab what you like. The one that I found, I just thought it had a little bit of a higher level of craftsmanship, just my opinion as a consumer advocate. So there you go. If there are other items that you think would make a really big difference in terms of combating odor, I know the Mosu bags that you can put into your fridge, those have been great in the past. They weren't on sale when I recorded this video. If there's other crazy things that you use, there's these baking soda balls now. Maybe those make a big difference for you. Let me know. Drop me a line. I'd love to hear it. And perhaps from the comments, we can re-educate each other on new household remedies and ways to do that. And of course, with the 2 deals I found, you know how to find those. All right. If you want more deals moving forward, I would love to have you along for this frugal journey. This is what you can do. Click on my oversized head right here. That will subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click here. And that last big roundup of deals I did, right over here.